Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Good afternoon, South Florida. We are seeing plenty of sunshine out there. Some low-level clouds coming on shore with our southeast wind. But as you can see, with all that sunshine out there, we are warming up. We started off with temperatures in the low to mid to upper 60s this morning, and we are well into the 70s, and we're going to be in the lower 80s by this afternoon. Now, on the radar, you can see some fast-moving showers that have been occurring over portions of West Palm Beach throughout the morning and now into the early afternoon. For Miami-Dade and Broward, we've stayed dry. The lower Keys saw an isolated sprinkle, but moisture is really limited. Reason being is because we have high pressure in place, and that is providing for the dry air in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. Look at these temperatures. It's already 81 degrees in Miami, 79 in Fort Lauderdale, 79 in Key West with a bit more cloud cover. Upper 70s, Pompano Beach, Oakland Park, Hialeah, Kendall, and Miccosukee, 80 degrees in Pembroke Pines. The wind picking up out of the east-southeast, anywhere between 12 and 13 miles per hour. Wind gusts even stronger, and with that onshore breeze, that could bring us a spotty shower throughout the day. But if you're headed to the beach to enjoy this wonderful weather, there is a threat of rip currents. Make sure you're swimming by a lifeguard. Let's go coast to coast, where we are the envy of the U.S. You can see why. Take a look at the storm systems. We have a storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest, bringing them rain, sleet, and snow. Another system that was in California yesterday, now moving over the Rockies. And our last system that's actually affecting the northern portions of Florida, bringing some cloud cover and some showers throughout the northern portions of the state, is starting to stretch off in towards the western Atlantic. That cold front is associated with a broad low. You see that spin over the Great Lakes? All of this will eventually push away in towards the western Atlantic, and we will see another front move in as we go into the end of the week. Currently, you can see temperatures across the U.S. mainly cold throughout the northern portions of the U.S., otherwise southern half more mild with temperatures in the 50s, 60s, and we are the warmest spot with 81 degrees, dry conditions, and plenty of sunshine. Now, the storms will stay to the north as this area of high pressure that's in place over our weather pattern acting like a roadblock, keeping the jet stream to the north as well as the storms. As we go into the end of the week, though, a change. High pressure will weaken. It will push more to the south, and that will allow for the frontal boundary to approach the area. It will bring us a chance of some spotty showers. Temperatures will be mild. We won't see a real change with this first front. It'll be the second front that moves in as we go into early next week. Here is your marine forecast. Threat of rip currents at the beaches. The bay will be at a light chop if you'd like to do some boating. For you in the Keys, no advisories. Due to the wind and seas, we've got nearshore waters at a moderate chop. Highs today in the lower 80s, upper 70s in Broward, lower 80s inland, spotty shower possible. Lows in the low 60s and then upper 60s near 70 at the coast. It's going to be a warm, muggy night. Could see a chance of some patchy fog tomorrow morning. We'll do it all over again for your Wednesday and Thursday. The change in the forecast comes by the end of the week as that weak front approaches. Have a great Tuesday.